Join me as I dive into the world of SOFI stock to see if it's headed for the moon or if it's about to crash down. SOFI, or Social Finance, is a fintech company that's been making waves in the market with its innovative approach to lending, banking, and investment products. Its stock movement has been generating a lot of buzz, with many investors trying to figure out what's next for this company. When it comes to SOFI stock, there are a lot of uncertainties right now. Market volatility is at an all-time high, and investor sentiment is all over the place. Some people are optimistic about SOFI's growth potential, while others are worried about the risks involved. One thing that's clear is that SOFI is not immune to these market fluctuations. Its stock price has been affected by the broader market trends, and it's been a bit of a roller coaster ride for investors. But what's behind this volatility? Is it just a matter of market sentiment, or are there deeper forces at play? Part of the uncertainty surrounding SOFI stock comes from the lack of clear direction from the company itself. There haven't been any major announcements or updates recently, which has left investors wondering what's next. When combined with general market uncertainty, it's no wonder people are feeling a little nervous about SOFI's prospects. So what's really going on with SOFI stock? Is it a good investment opportunity, or is it a recipe for disaster? To answer that, we need to take a closer look at the factors that are influencing its stock price. One of the key factors is SOFI's recent earnings reports. The company has been consistently beating earnings expectations, which is a great sign for investors. But at the same time, there are concerns about its valuation and whether it's sustainable in the long term. Another important factor is the broader market trends. As I mentioned earlier, the market has been volatile lately, and that's had a big impact on SOFI's stock price. But what's driving this volatility? Is it just a normal correction, or is there something more going on? In addition to these market trends, we also need to look at SOFI's company developments. The company has been expanding its product offerings and investing in new technologies, which is a great sign for its long-term growth potential. But there are concerns about the costs involved and whether it's worth it in the end. Finally, we need to consider the competitive landscape. SOFI is operating in a crowded fintech space, and there are plenty of other companies vying for market share. So how does SOFI stack up against its competitors, and what sets it apart? Based on all these factors, it's clear that SOFI stock is a bit of a mixed bag. On the one hand, the company's earnings reports are strong, and its product offerings are expanding. On the other hand, there are concerns about valuation, market volatility, and competition. So what does it all mean? In my opinion, SOFI stock is more likely to soar in the long term. The company has a strong track record of innovation and growth, and its recent earnings report suggests that it's on the right track. Of course, there are risks involved, but I think the potential upside is worth it. That being said, I could be wrong. SOFI stock could just as easily crash down if the market turns against it or if the company faces unexpected headwinds. But for now, I think the signs are pointing in the right direction. In conclusion, the future of SOFI stock is uncertain, but that's what makes it so exciting. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, it's always a good idea to do your own research and make your own decisions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave your opinions in the comments about SOFI stock. What do you think is going to happen next? If you want to stay up to date with the latest financial insights, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.